The internet is a strange place. It gives us crazy ideas, tips and wild hacks, like how to turn butter into a candle. That's right, butter, as in from your fridge, butter. Butter candles went viral over the internet for being cheap, easy to make, and absolutely quirky. Do they actually work? And are they safe? Alright, let's try this out. Step number 1, melt the butter. I'm doing this in short bursts to avoid burning it. Stand the wick upright in the center using a toothpick or a wick holder to keep it stable. Step 2, pour it into the mold. Step 3, let it harden, solidify in the fridge for 30 minutes. And now, we wait. Moment of truth. Butter candle. So I'm going to cut the wick off. I have a feeling this is going to get messy. It's going to get messy. But no worries, let's give this a try. So we know that butter is soft in nature and it's really hard to bring it out of the mold. If you really want to try this out, maybe put it in the freezer and that would work. It took some time to light up. It sounds scary. The flame is dying out. And the flame died out. We'll try it again. So there's a lot of crackling. I think it's because of the moisture. And then the flame looks like it's going to die out again. I'll let Nadi, our organic chemist, explain to you why this happens.
So, can I have this? Alright, so we see that the butter, right? It didn't fully form into a candle. It turned into liquid. And why did that happen? It's because when we heat it up, we are actually breaking down the emulsion so that the fat in the butter and the milk solid separated. So we have like a yellow liquid inside here. And then we also have like this very like half-formed candle. So this is actually most of the milk solids, and the oils are separated from the milk solids and it stayed in the mold. So that's what happens when you heat butter up.
The second thing to consider is how safe it is to burn butter with a live fire, because the fire was very inconsistent. It sputtered and burned with sparks in it, and also it could be a fire hazard. So it's one thing to burn butter and enjoy it as a trend. It's another thing about being safe about it. Also, if you want to burn your butter, don't melt it down, stick a wick into it and it works. The trend and the craze is right. A block of butter like this can be turned into a candle. However, the flame is not steady, it crackles and bursts. It can be a fire hazard, so be careful if you want to make this in your kitchen. It pops as well. You will also be consuming paraffin or wax from the wick, so get a good wick that does not have a lead core or a metal core. At the same time, remelting the butter into another mold does not work. So if you want to give this a try, sure, by all means, have a slice of bread handy so that you can dip it in, and it looks like it works. If you learned something today, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below on the wildest DIY idea you've heard, and we will try to debunk it for you. See you in the next one.